Alright guys, another video. Gonna replace this muffler on this truck. Just did a video for rear brakes and rotors, so check that out. Just want to show you all the muffler to get. And you all can see there's nothing here. Oh, there's nothing here. See, it has a catalytic converter, but nothing here. So maybe I can save that piece of pipe. You're gonna see, and it's still on the hangers. So what we're gonna do is spray these hangers. I'll show you what I'm using. This is what I'm using to spray up there. Alright, I got it off. It's getting in the evening, so just finished this job up, and right now I'm also changing the oil. So I'll be back out here in the morning to install the new muffler. I'm gonna be out here too late messing with this. Alright, stay tuned. Alright, we're back out here, about to get ready to install this. It's about 10 a.m. So I'm gonna take this wheel back off. I'm gonna get a flap disc and clean that up real good, and that up. I'm gonna change this out, put a new one on. Kind of the best method for removing that rust. Or one of these wire wheels right there. All right, we're gonna brace this muffler up with those rubber bushings on here. We're gonna use some grease. So we can hang it. gonna hang it first and then we'll get the pipes installed. But look at this. I gotta bend this back out. This bit doing shipping. Pretty bad. I'm trying to save that though. I need to shave off about 2 inches of this pipe here anyway. So I'm gonna try to catch it here. Try to get the 2 inches here and mesh these two together somehow. Just a quick note, if you don't have a welder, you can use exhaust clamps to install this muffler. It just won't be as secure, but exhaust clamps will work just fine. Although there's a shield beside that muffler and along the side of the gas tank, there's a small void where I'm welding at between the muffler and the gas tank, and you see one of my welding coats there just sitting. I stuffed it in there to make sure no sparks fly. Also, as a preventive measure, I ran the truck almost completely out of gas. Welding beside a gas tank, you just never know what can happen, or any flammable tank, so you want to be safe as possible.